everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a no makeup look, so stay tuned and let's get started. Even though we're not wearing a heavy makeup or it's not looking heavy, you still want to prime your face, your skin I mean. It's really windy today. I like the weather. It's not too hot and it's not extremely cold. It's very nice. But it does feel like it's gonna rain. It's really cloudy. I really like this primer. This is the first time I'm using it. I bought it from Amazon. I'm testing out new products from Amazon. I really like it. I thought it was gonna look super casket white on me, but it's a nice primer. Yeah, this primer is really nice. It really brightens the skin. And you guys know I have dark circles and I'm very conscious about my under eyes because I don't sleep well at night. So yeah, what do you guys think? I like it. Because this is a Korean product. I know I'm putting a lot of primer, but we're not doing a lot to the face as foundation wise, so I'm just making sure my pores are not visible. The Born This Way multi-use concealer. Because the goal we're trying to achieve is our skin looks like we have no makeup, but it looks better than before. And I'm just blending this out with a concealer brush. This is brush from AOA Studio. And stay tuned because I'll be doing a full face of AOA real soon. Can't wait. I've never done a full face of anything. So I'm really happy for that. I'll be using another concealer, and this is the Rimmel concealer. And as you can see, these, when you're doing a more natural, no makeup look, you still want your skin imperfections to show. So I'm not really worried about covering my dark. I'm worried about covering my dark circles, but I'm not worrying about covering up my hyperpigmentations and dark spots right here. So I'm fine with that because that's what makes it look like you're not wearing makeup. Those imperfections are what makes it, beautiful, And I want to say last, my recent tutorial, was it a tutorial? Review? My recent review, it wasn't supposed to be a voiceover. It was supposed to be me talking to you, interacting with you guys. And when I went to edit the video, the audio was messed up. There was no audio. It's because I forgot to plug the microphone all the way in and it became a voiceover. I was like, wow. And I wouldn't recommend going putting anything on the lids because those shadows and discoloration, if you do have that, it makes it look like you have eyeshadow on, especially with a no makeup look. You don't want everything to look flat. So I'm just gonna leave my eyelids bare. And there's a lot of blending that goes into most of the time it's not the products you use, it's the amount of time you spend blending them that takes time. I realized that. Because blending is key. I know I said don't put anything on your eyelids, but by anything I mean like, you know, concealer. Because right now my eyelids are looking a bit shiny and oily, so that's why. I'm just brushing it real quick. Okay. Yeah, I already look better. I'm telling you, I love concealer. Now, to make this so I can look better, not better, but presentable, it's me. I'm just gonna do my brows real quick because it's a bit wonky right now. Oh, for that, I'm using the Covergirl. I usually like going with the spoolie first because the spoolie, this one's quite dirty. But the spoolie usually has excess product, so I go with the spoolie first, so any of that excess product I need to clean the spoolie. Just lightly fill in the sparse areas. There's just something about a no makeup look that looks so satisfying, you know? Because you know you're not wearing a lot of makeup, and it's like your natural beauty that's popping in. It's like, oh my god, I can actually look this beautiful without layers of makeup, you know? Because when you're doing your brows, especially with a natural look, you don't want the, it's not that you don't want, it depends on your hair color, of course, but it would be better if it's not too dark, so it can give a more natural look, and you can adjust it. You can go in more later if you need to. So this color is not too dark. I would say it's like a shade lighter, to be honest, than my brow color. I don't know. This is my favorite brow. At some point this was my favorite brow, but it needs some more workout at the arch. But now this is my favorite brow. Okay. I'll blend. Please blend. Now that the brows are done, I feel better. I'm starting to look better. So moving on, I would basically bronze my face. And I'll be trying this product. This is the Milani Big Bronzer in the shade Soleil. I don't think this like, do you think it shows? Like, this is the side with it and this is without. This is without bronzer and this is with the bronzer. I don't see a difference. So, and it has a shimmery, which is nice, but I don't really see it. It's very natural because I don't see it. Okay, I guess this is why I have not used this in the past year that I've had it because it does not show up on my face. So we're going with our trusty Black Radiance. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, you see that bronzer? Snatch. This is optional, but I'm going to contour my nose. For me, this step makes, I feel like it makes a difference, even though it's such a subtle like thing, but I like it. And I just blend. It's all about adding shadows and light back to your face without, you know, it being all cakey and stuff. Wow. I look like this Scream. You know that painting? This came broken when I bought it from Ulta. Just to add a pop of color. I feel better already. I feel so it's so good. Everything will be in the description bar below, so please check it out. But I do like it because a very natural look. Even though I do love my lashes, I may be taking them off wrong, but a piece or two of my real lashes get stuck to those. So like right here, I'm kind of bald a little bit. And this eye. But this mascara is very lengthening and it looks really natural. So it's perfect for those no makeup looks. You can see the difference, right? Like this one has it. This one, I kind of put it a little bit. It does lengthen. Oh my god, oh! Don't you hate when that happens? Oh my god! We'll fix it. Okay, that took forever. But I like it.
This had to happen, like right here. Like it could be a beauty mark on camera.
Oh, I forgot one more thing. I usually like using this Wet n Wild Mega Last lip stain. See? Oh my god, they're going on my teeth.
How did the YouTubers take it off? Did they just, you know? It looks stuck, bruh.
Yeah, that added some dimension, right? I love my setting spray. I will be doing the bottom lashes. I just like putting on setting spray first. I just like putting on setting spray first, then going in and doing my bottom lashes because I find that it usually smudges when I do my bottom lashes, then do setting spray. So that's why I do that as the last step. I usually like squinting. And I think it makes a difference with and without. Oh, I feel like this eye looks bigger and this one looks okay, but you know, It's still lazy. Like, oh.
Fudge. Oh, I think I fucked it up. Yeah.
Okay, I took it off, thankfully. I just used my wig cap and I did that. Yeah. Now I'm just going with a very clean, newly washed eyebrow pencil, and I'm using the spoolie so I can comb my lashes. Yeah, I'm closing my eyes because I remember I tried to do this technique with my eyes open and some fallout got in my eye. It wasn't good. Alrighty. I don't know. I feel like this was a kind of fail. I mean, you can fail at a no makeup look.
Can you?
No makeup look. You can still see my imperfections. Even though you can see my imperfections, my under eye circles are gone for now. They're there, but they're gone. You see? So this is how a natural, no makeup look looks for me. This is the look I've been doing when a friend tells me, oh, I'll be there in 20 minutes. Don't be late. And I'm trying to at least look presentable without making them wait. This is what I do. Alright, bye. Oh, I forgot. Please comment and like and subscribe if you like what you see. And stay tuned for next Wednesday because I'll be coming up with, hopefully my package come for the AOA full face. If not, I'll have another video coming up on Wednesday. So stay tuned and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.